What is up, my crypto legends? Hope you're doing fantastic today. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing, guys? Let me know if you can hear me clearly in the comment section. Hopefully all is good. Hope you're enjoying the weekend, guys. Make sure to destroy the like button on your way in because I got a banging show. I got a banging live stream for everyone. So make sure to destroy that like button on your way in, guys. How is everyone doing? I'm just going to go quickly through the comment section. Woo, what a day yesterday, guys. What a day. If you did pay attention on the live stream, we talked about the best scenario just at the beginning of the live stream from yesterday. At the beginning, it was around about minute 15, minute 16. We're just going to go through that in just 1 second. And of course, if that trade was missed, and it was missed for me, I missed it. I know a lot of people jumped into that trade when it was saying in the comment section, hey, I made, a couple of $100. Absolutely phenomenal. I'm super happy for you. I missed the trade. But I tell you what trade I did not miss. The one that we mentioned, okay, afterwards from the live stream yesterday. And we'll go through that right away, guys. So make sure to smash up that like button if you enjoy these live streams. Over 500 likes yesterday. Absolutely phenomenal, guys. If you enjoy this content, this educational content, taking a look at what happened yesterday with Bitcoin, what has been happening today, and what could potentially happen, then smash up the like button, guys. Yes, we can take a look at the ES stock market. We can take a look at some altcoins. We're focusing on Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is a multi-billion-dollar market. This is the market where we can take some gains every single day. And this is what we're going to talk about. So make sure to destroy the like button. How's my hair looking? It's not looking bad. Let's take a look right away at the comment section. Say hello to the community. And yeah, guys, let's crack on. Let's crack on. We're going to go through yesterday's video. Hair's looking not too bad. Let me know in the comment section, how's the hair looking for the live stream? Only joking, guys. It is Saturday. Hopefully you're doing absolutely phenomenal. We're going to go through Bitcoin, guys, yesterday and today. But I want to say hello to the community. Morning fam, says Inez. How are you doing, my man? Henry, morning Kasta bros. Are you guys ready to lose money today? Henry, no. We're not here to lose. If any money is lost, it is very small amount, okay? This is said every single time. You're going to have very good risk management. Right, let's take a look. Andy will be here in 2 minutes. He's just selling Chainlink. Hey, I can see Chainlink did get a little bit of a pump. It was around about $8 just a couple of hours ago. I'm not going to check the chart on Chainlink. It's a long-term hodl for me. Right, let's take a look. Right, it is 216. Yes, I start at 2:8. I don't know when I started. The live stream was at 2:15. Probably started at 2:18. I need to get stuff ready. I'm Spanish. I could be a couple of minutes late. So yeah, I got to be sorry on that, but it is what it is. So when the live stream is at 2:15, you come at 2:20. If it's at 2:30, you come at 2:35 or 2:40. Don't worry. Right, best crypto TA in the world. I typed best crypto TA in the world, and Google sent me here, says Mark Dutch. You're the man. I got my moderator here. Give me insane support, as you can see. Good morning, Kappa. How are you doing? Money Game Dot Andy. Okay, we'll take a look at Polkadot afterwards. We need to focus on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's where the gains are. Multi-billion market, which you can trade. Morning, A Sport. How are you doing? Sup traders and Andy Spinby. How are you doing? Thanks for joining. Mark Dutch Stop says taking care of business. Yes. Afternoon legends, please be bearish. I am relatively a little bit bearish. I'm in a short position right now. I will explain it. Okay, I'll explain that short position. While I was doing the analysis here for the last couple of hours, it was a short to be taken. Did take a little bit of profit, but I do see it coming all the way down to 24,450. Position is protected. I'll explain that trade that I entered here just about an hour ago while I was doing the analysis for the live stream. But of course, we'll be taking a look at next scenarios. We'll be talking about the scenarios that was mentioned on yesterday's live stream, guys, that played out to perfection. both of the scenarios. The one at the beginning of the live stream, the one at the end of the live stream. Just when I finished the live stream, a few hours later, we got the exact trade opportunity, scalp scenario that was mentioned on the live stream, guys. And we got that live stream to prove it. So we're going to go through that on today's live stream and the possible scenarios, of course. So make sure to grab a cup of tea. I don't want people to be falling out from the live stream. You stick around, you will know those potential scenarios that I'm waiting for. I did take advantage of that trade yesterday because I missed the first one from the beginning of the live stream. Andy, please be on time. Hey, I gotta be sorry, man. I'm Spanish, so yeah, I'm half English, half Spanish. So that must be the side of the Spanish blood. Always a few minutes late. Not late for my trades though, I can tell you that. Nothing going to happen this weekend. Well, it's probably going to be a little bit sideways. Congratulations with your trading course. Hey, it's not a congratulations to me. It's a congratulations to you. You know, you decide if you want to do it or not. It is down below in the description. You don't need to give me congratulations. It's a congratulations for people that really want to educate themselves to know how to properly trade the market with good risk management. It's very, very nice, short and sweet and simple to understand. You just need to follow the steps to, simple strategies. And that if you do execute them very nicely, you will be a very successful trader. And we're going to go through some of those examples mentioned on the live stream, of course, today. So good afternoon, Peep says, chill. How are you doing? David, sound is clear. Okay, everything's clear. Bat harmonic on the 30-minute. Hey, I actually trade this short position because of a Gartley harmonic. Okay, it wasn't a bat. I was going to say, is it a bat? No, it's not. It's a Gartley harmonic. It's not the most beautiful one. I will zoom in on the chart. I am looking for lower. We do have massive resistance at this range, and where we had this Gartley pattern is right over here. It's not the most beautiful one, but it's there and it's getting the correction. This is why I jumped into that short, guys. I'll explain that in just 1 second. I had a little bit of confluence here to give me, that confidence in entering. I don't usually trade the weekends, hey, but if I can lock a few $100s on the weekend, then I'll be out for dinner with those gains. So anyway, happily no dog today. Yeah, I got my dog there barking outside. Hi, Andy, please do cover Solana, says Ralph. Okay, good morning, Andy, says Nolan. High profit today, says Daniel. Cup and handle, we can take a look at that. Andy, hurry up, I need to be somewhere. Right, okay. All right. 25.2 incoming. Maybe yes, maybe no. There's still a lot of liquidity above 25.2k. I would say that we could easily reach those levels. I am scalp trading a little bit, guys, here. I did scalp long here, this range. Let's go through, okay, enough talk. The scenarios that we talked about yesterday. Let's zoom in here, and then we can take a look at what could happen in the next coming days, guys. Remember, this is a pure educational channel, okay, for that educational content. Then we can take a look at what could happen in the next coming hours and days, right? But first of all, yesterday, where were we yesterday? Yesterday, we were trading at this zone while we were doing the live stream. So let's just quickly go through that beginning of the live stream, guys, so you can actually see the type of educational content here that we do have right away on this live stream today. That possible Bitcoin trade, okay, if we do get to hold above higher lows, above the weekly level, above the point of control, above the 618 from the low to the high, we're just about at that level. It's not a bad long. It's not a bad long with good risk management. Hey, this could get a big fat bounce right now in the next coming minutes, okay? It's a range too long. Right over here is what we were talking about. This was not a bad range too long. I did not long it. I was focusing here on the live stream, the comments, of course, but this big level was mentioned yesterday. This is when we were trading exactly at $23,800, and I was pretty clear on the live stream as well. We're not going to go through that, but it was pretty clear to say, hey, if you manage to jump into a long position here, it is definitely worth to hold it. It's definitely worth to hold some of that position to test the highs or even go to the high range over here. It was very much cleared on yesterday's live stream. You could protect position and still have some of that position open. Now, this was exactly here, as you can see on the chart. Now, if we go to the live stream yesterday, it was right over here. As you can see, we had point of control, a weekly level, 618 fib level, big level of, support, still up with a structure with higher lows, big zone, absolutely insanely respected, and very, very good trading opportunity at that range to come and test the highs. Hey, we talked about the invalidation point, okay? I'm giving a little bit of too much information here on how to trade these scenarios with good risk management, but it's there. It's there so you can get the idea, okay, of anywhere of this zone that was talked about yesterday with your invalidation point right over here below this wick. You are looking for a 2-3 to 1 risk to reward trade, and always you can keep some of that position open so you can go to higher levels. All right, that macro, that swing trade, okay, that can be at 2-3 days to come and test the highs, can still be open, guys. So basically, that was one of the trade scenarios that was on the live stream. I did not catch this live stream, guys. I was focusing on the education. I was focusing on YouTube. I was focusing on you guys. So that was a really nice, pretty decent call, right? It was an okay call. It was, the structure was up, kind of an ascending triangle, massive pump here with the volume, big move down. Then we got to hold this range, right? Hey, we have invalidation points. You enter a trade here, you get stopped out. Hey, it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of your life. You lose a little bit of capital. You move on, move to the next trade. The percentage gain compared to your stop loss here is more than 2 to 1. So you get the deal, right? No, guys, you get the deal. So anyway, let's go through the next scenario, because I said, hey, right now we've tested the highs, we got rejected. This could have been a short position, have tight stop losses, protect position, because it's riskier to short. It is better to long from this low range, okay? So I'm not taking any trade scenario from this range. What I will be waiting for is a breakout from the weekly level, the confirmed resistance level, confirmed breakout, waiting for the bounce and come and test the highs, guys. Check out the price action from Bitcoin right over here. It's important to go through yesterday's live stream, guys. When I get stopped out, we also go through yesterday's live stream. Check out this movement, guys, right over here on the chart, because this is important, guys. This is really important for you to focus on. All right, this is where you get that pure education. This is the ones that stick around and understand the market movements, the ones that succeed, the ones that do not leave the live stream. And let's just go through that scenario from yesterday's live stream when we were finishing, okay? Then we'll go through Bitcoin afterwards. Break above this resistance, we got some potential scenarios that could happen where you could take advantage. I don't need to show any more. I don't need to show any more. I think it's pretty much understandable that, this is what I was waiting for. You either short the high, long the low. If you're in the middle of the range, no man's land. I don't want to take that opportunity. I'm going to wait for that breakout of this resistance weekly level. We create a high. We create a new high locally. When we retrace back down to this support level, you are highly probable going to get a first bounce. One bounce. I'm just looking for one bounce. That is the bounce that we are looking for, breaking out from this zone right over here and come up and test the highs, guys. It's there. It's there. It's this scenario. I did trade this yesterday. This was the trade I got into. I did not get into this trade. I got into this one right over here to test the highs. I'm out. Yes, I could have made more profits here, but this is just a technical move. I'm getting in and I'm getting out. I don't care what the price does afterwards, Could have made more gains, yes, but I could have also got stopped out at break even if I did not get any gains at all, or stopped out, right? So it's a technical move. Later the price could have massive volatility. Anyway, there you have, guys, that, you know, that scenario, those scalp scenarios that I was looking for on the live stream. Breakout from this zone, right? We talked about the support level, right? Breaking out from this weekly last higher low level as well for another trade scenario. But there you have it, guys. A little bit of free educational, accurate analysis on those trade scenarios. Right over here, 23,830 at the beginning of the live stream, looking for a pump to test these highs. There you have it. Next scenario, breaking out from that weekly level. Create a high, come down, test support, get back to the high again. That is where you get out. These two circles is in and out. Of course, I do not need to explain that. In and you're out. This is exactly this move here. You're in and you're out. It's a relatively nice scalp. Okay, we've used a little bit of high leverage. Let's move on right away. Let's move on right away to see what could happen, you know, today. If you want to learn how to get, you know, this analysis, how to create this analysis and get experience on the chart to get into these high probability scenarios, guys, check out the course that has been created. Okay, I've created this course for the last few months. It is down below in the description if you are interested. All right, the 50% offer is going to run till Monday. All right, then from Monday it's not going to be 50%. It is down below in the description, as you can see here. All right, check it out, guys. Down below in the description you do have the course. Okay, right over here, Legends Masterclass, 50% discount till Monday using Legends 50 coupon. All right, you have the website right over there. And this is how I come out with these setups, this analysis, all right, to get into these high probability trade scenarios. Where do I put my stop losses and validation points? Looking for higher risk to reward, meaning I want at least 1.5 to 1 risk to reward. I'm looking for 2 to 1, 3 to 1. And getting into these really nice high probability trade scenarios. And I mean, this is totally, you know, you can see it here. You cannot make this up. Of course, when I am wrong, because I was wrong on a trade a few days ago with this massive pump, you know, we talk about the stop losses as well, guys. I cannot believe people that do not talk about stop losses as well. It is fun to talk about gains. I only see people like to show gains and gains and gains, and, you know, I never get stopped out. No, we talk about stop losses as well. I explained this stop loss that I got into a few days ago. This is the only stop loss that I do remember, because I share the trade, basically a lot of them on the live stream, and yeah, basically this is one that I did get stopped out. This was explained on the stream. So yeah, guys, like I said, we do have the trading masterclass. Okay, Legends Trading Masterclass course down below in the description for anybody that is interested, all right, in learning, getting educated properly. It is nice and sweet, straight to the point, guys. Okay, you have it there. Once you click on legends.com, okay, legendsbitcoinsensus.com, down below in the description, all right, here's where you can purchase the course. You'll be getting the 30 video lessons, all right, exploring the essential elements of technical analysis and risk management. And, you know, I'll be doing a weekly live learning Q&A, all right, on the Discord. You make sure to join the Discord, all right? You got it down below, okay? Start your journey. There it is, guys, for anybody that wants to learn thoroughly the tools that I use. A lot of people have been waiting for this. Of course, the Discord, private Discord, which would be a monthly subscription. This is where I'm going to share every single day the trade setups, okay, on Bitcoin that I am doing, my full analysis, the full levels for scalping, for day trading, of course, into that swing trading, swing trades as well. This is going to be launched in the next 1 to 2 weeks. All right, we're working on it. We're working on how to get that out. A lot of people are even more impatient for the private Discord, because that is going to be that is going to be a game changer. That it will be the game changer. But anyway, it's super important for people to get educated first. All right, so this is what I've been working for this for the last few months. It is live right now, guys. It is down below in the description. legends.bitcoin.com. Okay. You have the link down below. Using Legends50, you have the 50% discount, okay, for anybody who's willing to learn how to accurately find these trading scenarios, like mentioned on yesterday's live stream at the beginning, okay? Looking for the targets, you can see the high risk to reward. And of course, once that movement has happened, I don't care, I have missed about this trade. Yesterday at the beginning, I said, guys, I missed this trade. Don't worry about me. I'll be looking for the next trade. Guess what? Guess which was the next trade? It was this one. Breaking above 24,300 weekly level. Coming down and getting the bounce. I jumped into that trade after the live stream. Nice little scalp high probability trade scenario. Bang, bang, bang. It doesn't matter if we miss one. I'll be getting into other ones. There's opportunities every single minute, guys. And if you want to learn how to read the context of the charts, you know the deal. It's my opinion, opportunity of a lifetime. You got it down below. You don't want to do it? It's good, it's good on me as well. So anyway, let's amazing free technical analysis. Let's thank Andy with the thumbs up, says Mark Dirch. Well, yes, I mean yesterday, I absolutely love it, guys. Sometimes, maybe on this live stream, we're not going to do much because I like to talk about what was mentioned yesterday, guys. It's absolutely phenomenal talking about this pure technical analysis on yesterday's live stream. This is free education on YouTube, talking about those major levels, major highs, major other opportunities after the live stream, and actually happening, right? 2 predictions here in about 1 to 2 hours. Actually happening. This is 2 successful trades. So anyway, it's important to to appreciate that. And what I would be asking here is a smash the like button, guys. Smash that like button if you appreciate this content. I get other bigger YouTubers with not that good technical analysis and content. They get more views and more likes, but hey, I guess this is it is what it is. This is the rule, right? 90% need to lose for that 10% to win. So anyway, right. Okay, I got Kapil here said, hey Andy, my man. Let me just go quickly through the comment section, guys, right away, because I need to go through the comment section. Join Andy's Telegram, says Scotty. Scotty, thanks for joining. I can see Scotty. Mark Dutch. Hey, guys, you guys are amazing, and thank you for joining. So let me just read these few comments. We can take a look at some potential scenarios. Let's remember that Bitcoin still has, a little bit of volatility yesterday, all right? A little bit of volatility Friday evening as it's Central European time. Bit of volatility. We need to remember, I think the possibility in getting above 25,200 is very likely in the coming days, guys. I am still relatively bullish short term for that potential movement to the upside. Okay, we could have that volatility, yes, of course, but overall, I do think that we're going to reach that level. Reason why? With still such an easy amount of liquidity that is just $1,000 away, okay? We've only got $1,000. Move to the upside to get all of these short liquidations, right? Then we can eat up all of that liquidation, then we can move down. That is going to be a very interesting level zone to take a look at in the next coming days, guys, because there will be a lot of trading opportunities, as soon as we claim this zone here in the next coming days, right? Overall, I think some long scalps, long day trades have higher probability than shorting. If you want to short and go against the market like I like to do a lot of times, but I defend my capital. I got stopped out right now at break even with this move up. Did take a few profits right there. I'll explain this short position right away, but there's a little bit of volatility. We are in an uptrend. If you're shorting, take care, guys. This has been a profitable trade at the end of the day, because I did take some profits at these lows, and I defended my capital, knowing the risk of, the possibility in going higher, right? I would prefer to long the market if we do hit some support levels. This is what we're going to talk about, of course, in the next coming minutes. Let's go through the comment section. And I want to read Kapil's comment. It says, "Hey Andy, my man, yesterday after your analysis on Litecoin, I short on 15x leverage at 101.32. Rounded off the position at 99.13 and made a huge profit of 70% on the trade. My portfolio is profit of 569%. Kapil, absolutely phenomenal. Good on you. Absolutely phenomenal. These are the comments that I like to read. If there is any type of wrong analysis, or I like to take a look at the stop losses as well, guys, because I know a lot of people on YouTube will be just saying, I think we're going to go to these levels in the next coming days, or I think we're going to dump, this is going to drop, and then we got people shorting or longing, with no risk management, hoping that is going to happen, and then the price turns the other way and they get absolutely exterminated. When I talk about any kind of scenarios, no financial advice, of course, like always, I talk about how you protect yourself, guys. If this trade does not play out as you wish, so you can make those gains, make sure to protect yourself. This is extremely important, guys. This is what frustrates me from other people that do technical analysis on YouTube. Hey, you're gonna get people wrecked. Make sure to educate them. Make sure for those people that, I get a bunch of I did get a bunch of messages the last few weeks of people getting absolutely wrecked, and you know what I said to them? Hey, this is part of your learning. I cannot help you right now because you're already wrecked. What I can help you is how you cannot get wrecked again. Make sure to concentrate on those trades. Make sure to have very good risk management. Your invalidation points. Get a good entry. Don't FOMO in those trades. Never. You will not miss, there's opportunities every single minute in this market, even for scalping, right? So yeah, guys, just a heads up there. BTC to 28K. If it breaks above 25K, massive volume gap. Yeah, this is also very true. We can analyze that situation. This is going to be very interesting. The reason why I've got this red box here is because of the liquidity, right? This is a bunch of liquidity. I'll be paying attention here. We could have a massive big pump. This is going to be a very bad to long, guys. Very bad level to long, okay? The breakout. Whoever is longing the breakout, the first breakout here is basically it's suicidal. It's kamikaze, because you could get massive rejection. This is not a breakout long trade level, okay? It could turn out well and get a massive pump to 28K, but it could get also massive rejection and you can get absolutely burnt here if you don't get into those stop loss. There will be a lot of volatility if we do get a pump there. Now, how would I know that this is going to be a legit breakout? All right, and it's going to be as simple as a big 1 hourly candle breaking well above 25,200, guys, because there will be a lot of opportunities here as well. I do not want to see a massive pump here and a massive rejection in the same hour. Once you see a 1 hourly, a 4 hourly candlestick, green candlestick with big volume, you will see it, guys. It will likely be a large amount of volume. We want to see something like this. Bang, right over here, breaking well above this range. I'm not going to be trading any long positions. If we do you know, in that same hour. If we do get that rejection, you know, only if we do have a solid breakout, come back down. This is a good solid long position, right? Only if we do have a solid 1 hourly breakout above this resistance zone, right? Only for a quick bounce, because remember, we could retest the 618 or retest the highs, create a double top and do this, right? And then I'll have people saying, hey, I thought you said if we had a 1 hourly candle with high volume, you know, we were going to get a bounce and go to higher levels. No, I said it will likely get a first bounce from this range, and we are likely going to retest the highs or almost retest the highs. This is a very likely scenario. You could break it and continue up. But yeah, we want to stay cautious here, guys. There will be some trading opportunities. Lower time frames, 5 minute, 15 minute. I'm not interested, guys, because this could be a massive pump and a massive big dump again, okay? It's going to be a dangerous zone. It's a dangerous zone. Overall, if I am talking about that scenario, right, we are likely to see something like that, okay? That is our next attempt on Bitcoin, all right? Next attempt on Bitcoin is going to be that. This high will likely be tested in the next coming days with high probability, okay? So any kind of long scalp scenarios, day trades that can turn into swing trade, guys, make sure to getting at support, right? Just like yesterday, make sure to get in at support. I could still have some of that long position open, but this was a scalp. It was a technical trade to get in and out, okay? The one I explained from yesterday's live stream at the end, right? It's a bounce and bounce. Of course, I would have got stopped out with this move down here at break even. But what we want to do is try and get into big support levels. I mean, look at this volatility. Stay cautious. Stay cautious with these potential moves, guys. Like I said, there's higher probability with the long scenarios. Much higher probability with long trades, okay? I did see someone here talking about cup and handle. If it is this, yeah, this has got to be the ugliest cup and handle I've seen in my life. But overall, it's you know, the momentum is bullish, so it is likely to go to the highs, but I'm not sure if it will be because of this ugly cup and handle. It's just the momentum is up. This high needs to be tested. Remember, there's a lot of people interested in shorting right now, defending the liquidation prices as well, the liquidations, and interested because they might think that, hey, the highs have been claimed from August at 25.2. This is it. It's finished. The breakout was a fake out. And no, I think we will have a better test, right? A better liquidation event, okay, for any of those early shorters. And you know what's going to happen, guys? You know what's going to happen? People will be too scared to short once you have a big claim above 25.2, 26K. You will not want to short this pump. And this is why we need to wait and see how are we going to react. Because if that level, if that pump does get rejected, guys, and this is what we need to wait for patiently to see what happens if it does get rejected aggressively in that same couple of hours and gets back down this high, you know what's going to happen next, right? You know what's going to happen next. I do, with high probability. Okay, I don't know for certain, all right? We're just looking at probabilities. You know, it's unlikely to do this. What it is likely is to crash back down, okay? That is the highest probability. If it does get a big rejection with massive volume, it will be very interesting. You know, that is a high probability. You know, it's going to happen. It's likely to happen in the coming days. This event that we're talking about right now is likely to happen. You might think to yourself, oh, if this is going to happen, should I just long from this level? Well, yeah, stay cautious because we do have these wicks, right? You want to long at support. You want to get into very good entries. Stay cautious. We're going to analyze for those scalp scenarios right now because we are getting some bullish momentum. There is a resistance zone here that I want Bitcoin to break to find another scalp day trade, just like yesterday. Breakout trader, wait for that. Link is flying. Don't say Link is flying. I believe you, Matthew. Andy, I entered a short from 24,636. Can't it go down? I mean, this is a resistance zone. It is a resistance zone. Stay cautious. You know, I was in a short, took quick profits here at the 50% from this pump and got stopped out. Stay cautious with longs, okay? Have invalidation point. My invalidation point, of course, was the highs. I would have got stopped out from this short position. Very tight. I don't like this pump, guys. This does look like it wants to break the resistance. So stay cautious. Longing has more probability for successful trades at this moment with the context, short time frame, and even higher time frame. So longing is better than shorting, guys, okay? If you're shorting, you want to be a sniper, you want to be a defensive trader, just like I am, okay? Link is flying. Let's take a look at Chainlink. You know, my big bag from my portfolio. Is it at $8? Yeah, $8.20. Pretty nice pump today. Pretty nice pump. Anyway, we're going to focus right now on the lower time frames, guys, on Bitcoin to take a look at, you know, next potential trade scenario. Right, let's take a look. Has he been taking a look at Chainlink? No analysis on Chainlink. No trades on Chainlink. People should start with spot trading who are not well educated in trading, says Adele. Yeah, absolutely. But the thing with spot trading, you cannot sell. You cannot short, right? This is the thing. You cannot short with spot trading. So you would just basically trying to be getting into corrective moves in an uptrend. Because in a bear market, if you're spot trading, you're going to get wrecked, basically. Well, you're not wrecked till you sell your assets, but you will be in a losing position for quite a long time, several months or even several years. So yeah, definitely education, very, very important first. Guys, make sure, okay, I forgot to mention this because you know the deal. My favorite trading platform is Bybit. This is where I execute 80% of my trading in Bitcoin and crypto. You do have that bonus available, all right? There is the $30,000 worth of bonus, depending on what you deposit, of course. But for all of the small fish out there, there is an insane bonus. The ones that cannot afford to put $10,000 or hundreds of thousands of dollars on Bybit for their trading, you have a really nice bonus here. Just by depositing $100, all right? Just by depositing $100, you get 30 US dollar tether, all right? Airdrop, okay, at the rewards hub. You just go to your account and go to the rewards hub and you claim that bonus. $30 just by depositing $100. So this is basically getting 30% on top of your deposit, okay? This is for the first 100 users that sign up with my link in the description. If you signed up already, you will not get this bonus. Nobody else has this bonus, okay? This is a bonus that was given to me the last couple of days. You won't see anybody using this type of bonus. And I think it's a relatively nice bonus. $100 for the first 100 users. You get 30 US dollars at the rewards hub airdrop, okay? For your trading, you can trade US dollar tether, right? For a lot of the altcoins. The only thing that they are asking for to claim this bonus, that you must do KYC, okay? Doing a KYC on an exchange is fine, guys. Hang on a second, I was just about to sneeze. Didn't come out. So yeah, I mean, a lot of people are saying, I'm not giving my data, you know, yesterday in the comment section, I'm not giving my data to my details to an exchange. You know, don't worry, they're not going to say that to the taxman. They won't create a robot with your name and you know, identification. You know, it's totally fine. So anyway, that is the thing. The campaign is going till the 28th of February. Anybody interested? This is the #1, okay, crypto platform that I'm using. It's in the top 5 worldwide for crypto trading with volume. It's the one that I use, the one I like, guys. Make sure to claim the bonus down below. It's another way to support the channel, of course, but you get a really nice bonus for the small fish, right? The ones that are trying, you know, just with a couple of $100. then you got that bonus to be claimable down below. Let's crack on, guys, because I think this is going to be quite interesting. We need a solid breakout from this level. We need a solid breakout. We're currently slightly above. I don't like the volume. Volume is relatively low here. There is some volume trying to break the resistance here of the point of control. But I'm going to tell you why I'm not convinced yet. I want to see a relatively nice breakout. Reason why, because of volume, and I want to see a nice volume breakout. Big volume breakout, guys, is going to give you high probability that this range is going to be tested. These highs are going to be tested once we get above this resistance. It's going to happen. It's likely to happen. So this is something that we want to pay attention to. I would be a little slightly cautious only with one level. And that is the 7/8 from this high to this low, right? That is a potential level that we are likely going to get rejected. The 7/8 from this high to this low. You got a potential Gartley, not the most beautiful, but you got a Gartley pattern right there. 7/8 could get rejected. You could claim this high and get the rejection. So I want a solid big volume breakout, guys. If this volume is going to be very low, look at this. This is baby volume. I am not interested in baby volume. I want to see a solid breakout. Big breakout here to hit the 7/8 and even go slightly higher. You know the deal. We have that big breakout. You know the deal, guys. What is going to happen? Yeah, we are likely going to go higher and test the $25,000 range. So, but I want to see the breakout and the correction with a low volume. Till that does happen, this is very low volume. I don't trust these pumps with no volume at all on the weekend, guys. So stay a little bit cautious during the weekend. We prefer to trade during the week. So yeah. Right, Andy, did you see it's falling excrement from the sky? You saw that so funny video yesterday. The falling excrement from the sky? No, I did not see that. Have you discussed the Binance FUD? Says Matthew. No, I use Bybit too. Yeah, absolutely phenomenal. Bybit, I've been using it for the last few years. They have been demonstrating that they do have the client's funds, because what's happened the last few months. We've been having a lot of issues with these exchanges. Bybit for me is totally safe for the moment. Of course, anything could happen. I would never put 100% or even 50% of my portfolio inside a trading account. I would put 5-10% of my portfolio, okay? And then obviously with trading with that 10% of my portfolio, I would be risking small percentage moves, right? So Andy, literally every other influencer is offering the exact same deal. Exactly, says David Digital. Don't tell me that, because I will go to Bybit right away and say, hey, don't make me say that this is an exclusive offer for me. I know other influencers have the offer of $30,000. Yes, I know. I'm talking about this one. This one about $100. Just deposit $100 and get $30. $30 tether. If I'm wrong, I'm going to say, hey, don't tell me this is exclusive for me, because I'm saying it here on YouTube, and I've got my community that really believe in me. They are they know that I'm a legit guy, and if there's, tell me, guys, if this is not true. If it's I haven't checked other videos. So if this is not exclusive for me, I'm going to go right away to the Bybit commercial and say, hey, don't say this is exclusive for me when you got it on other people, because I'll be very angry with you and I'll stop using Bybit. No, I won't, because I absolutely love Bybit, but I'll still continue using Bybit. That's where I have my trading funds. Check out Jason Casper. Sorry, but not exclusive. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. Thank you. Well, anyway, Jason Casper does have that bonus as well. I'll have to say that this is. I will speak to Bybit and say, hey, don't tell me it's exclusive because you know Jason Casper does have this bonus. Thank you very much for letting me know. Tino from Reality Trading Reality, right? Not Reality Trade, Trading Reality. Best video ever. No here over a year. Check it out after. I know Tino. I know his YouTube channel. Yeah, I give respect with his vector candles and stuff like that. But yeah, does he give any trading setups like this? That is my question. Jason Casper does give a few setups on YouTube. He's relatively okay. I enjoy Jason Casper. He does have a lot of knowledge. Tino, many other ones. Do they give these really nice potential setups with the risk management? Talking about them on YouTube. Look at yesterday's live stream. The 2 setups, really nice risk management. This is what is important. Go through the stop losses as well. Go through those calls that were not good. This is also important. I haven't seen him do a single trade call on YouTube. Tino, Traders Reality. He talks about liquidation bubbles. He talks about the general market and stuff like that. But anyway, yeah. Something tells me we will hit 25.9k in February. Yeah, I think so too. I think well, not 25.9. Tino told me 8k BTC. Yeah, I said we were probably going to continue the bear market and go to lower levels. But what I also said, while we were trading below $20,000, guys, I was accumulating. I was dollar cost averaging in this range, guys. I said, hey, if we go down to 10k levels, I will buy more Bitcoin, but I am buying up heavily at this range just in case we do not go lower. So because he doesn't give trades, he wants you to actually learn. Hey, you learn also here with technical analysis, but yeah. I got someone here in the comment section saying I shorted this level here because of Tino of 25,200. First of all, this did not happen yesterday. This happened 2 days ago. So yeah, I made $13,000 because I shorted at 25,200 yesterday. This was 2 days ago. This was not yesterday. First of all, but yeah. Andy, have you taken control of Twitter? Yeah, well, yeah, I do kind of 50-50. We do have, at Bitcoinsensus, we are a team. We do share different analysis from different people as well. But, we are a team of analysts also on Bitcoinsensus. But most of the analysis is also provided by me. Andy, thoughts on a massive bearish RSI divergence on the daily time frame? Massive bearish divergence on the daily time frame. I'm not on. Is that on the RSI? Stochastic? Let me know what. There's multiple different divergences on, but I would assume that the most common one would be the RSI. And bearish divergence on the RSI. Yeah, there's massive bearish divergence on the RSI. It's showing weakness on the pump right here. I would never trade based on a divergence of an RSI, but yeah, you are creating higher highs on the price action, extreme lower highs on the RSI. So this is a loss of momentum, bearish divergence basically. I think, the test above 25,200 is very, very likely to happen. It's just very likely to happen. What I am questioning here is, will it be a successful breakout? No doubt we're going to test these highs, I think, with high probability. The question is, how big of a breakout this is going to be? Or is it going to be a liquidity grab? And that will be the end of this massive run. You know, this is the question that nobody knows. A lot of people will say, there's a lot of people very confident saying Bitcoin to 28K, to 30K in the next coming weeks. You know, or Bitcoin massive rejection from this level. You know, we don't really know. What we will know is, I will know the highest probability scenario once we claim the highs here again. Depending on what kind of rejection, of course, then of course I'll be slightly bearish. I'll be looking for those high probability short scenarios with good risk management. If we do have a solid breakout here, and we, you know, it's likely that we are going to have that continuation to the upside. Of course, that movement will likely be fast. Okay, if we do have a big solid breakout with volume, don't think that we're going to retrace here and, you know, dance around so you can get into that long position, right? There's going to be, it could potentially be very, very fast. And one of the main reasons why it will be fast, guys, is because there is hardly any volume in between $25,000 and $30,000, right? Look at the mountain of volume. We look at the big gap of volume. There's a big gap of no volume in between this range. So, yeah. I think 28K is very likely in the coming weeks. Yeah, everybody has different styles of trading and doing their videos and analysis. You know, there's a lot of things that I don't use on the charts because I think I don't need them for my trading. You know, when I overload with the chart, there's a lot of horizontal lines. Sorry about the mess of my chart here. On, you know, zooming out, look at all of these colors. You know, you might think this guy is absolutely crazy. What is he doing with all of these different lines? You know, they're weekly, monthly levels. I can take them off, but I haven't because I've been lazy. I've left them there because they don't bother me, but they probably bother you. So anyway, we can probably test 26.6K weekly support, says Scalp. Yeah, probably yes. Right, so let's take a look at I get the best from Andy, Tino, TLA, Coins Kid, and others, says Abe. Absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, it's always good to take a look at other ones. I personally do not take a look at any other ones for a long time. Sometimes I do, just for entertainment. You know, let's see what is his opinion, right? But I never take anybody's opinion for my trading, right? I like to know like long-term predictions and stuff and levels, and you know, I sometimes enjoy when I'm not doing anything and I want to take a look at some other YouTubers. It's fun to see their you know, their opinions as well, you know. But I never take it into consideration for my trading. You know, when I talk about trading setups, it's here, it's live. It's, you know, I'm taking a look at these levels. I'm taking a look here at taking profit, you know, just like what we talked about on yesterday's stream. You know, I'm looking for a bounce here. You know, this is on the point. You know, this isn't because I've copied someone or I'm taking a look at someone because he said to me that we're going to get a bounce here. This is happening live. This is happening live right here on this level. I'm not copycatting anybody. You know, this has been, you know, I'm talking about the invalidations, the risk to reward, and the potential scenarios. Also, if I miss that trade, the next trade setup, what I would be looking for, bang, 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 get in, get out. You know, this happens. This has happened from yesterday to today. I cannot get that information because I'm saying it live. I'm saying live the setups. But I do like to take a look at other YouTubers for, you know, just to see, you know, what, let's see his opinion, right? They do not influence my trading setups. Now I want to see Andy race Tino down a mountain in a skiing contest. That would be fun. Yeah, total respect to him. You know, I've seen a few videos of him. You know, he's pretty decent, pretty cool. But you know, I want information. I'm a trader. I trade. I need info. I need, you know, Chart Champions is absolutely phenomenal. He's Daniel from Chart Champions. He's absolutely, you know, I like his style. It's very similar to mine. Okay, with levels, volume, you know, harmonics. You know, I like his style. But of course, on YouTube, I don't see much people with that kind of style and giving actual, pure education levels on how to trade the market. I just don't see the information out there. It's not there, guys. It's not there. I cannot find it. Let me know. Yeah, you can say Tino's great. You can say, other ones are great, but the ones that give you potential setups like this, from like yesterday's live stream, at the beginning of the stream, at the end of the stream, I cannot find them, guys. I cannot find them, and of course I cannot copy anyone because it's I'm the only one on YouTube, so doing it live. So in my opinion, if you know other ones, then yeah, phenomenal. I would like to know to get some opinions from other ones. But no hate on any other YouTubers. I totally respect the people that doing analysis and educating as well on YouTube. UNCC are the best, yeah. Chart champions, CC. they're really good. They're really good. They got they do have a couple of coaches as well there, and Daniel is a really good trader, no doubt. When we have the Bybit competition, the ones that I am looking at, of course, are the Korean guys. There's some Koreans that are always first and second. They are they're crazy though. They do massive. I think the thing is, it's about the P&L, right? It's about the percentage of what you gain from your account. And I think they, these Chinese, Korean guys, they get all together and they say, all right, let's get multiple different accounts of $5, because it's not the one that makes more millions of dollars. It's the ones that make more percentage gains, right? That has more count on the competitions. And I think there's something fishy about this. Next Bybit competition, I think we're going to have to do multiple accounts with very, very low amounts, right? Multiple accounts and just make massive trades. But anyway, last year in July, we were ranked 24. I do have a picture out over there on the Bybit competition, which was really good. I did create a Telegram group. There was about 13 or 14 trades total of mine shared from the competition, which was about 2 weeks. And we didn't do bad. We were ranked 24 out of 650 groups. Chart champions were ranked 14 in the end, I think. Sheldon the sniper, he was ranked 40 or something like that. Then we had Rover, I think was ranked 60, 50 in the end. But yeah, we did pretty good. On the Bybit competition. I'm really excited for this one also. I think it will be in July again, and yeah, we're gonna try and be in the top 10. I mean, being in the top 1, 2, 3, being 1, 2 or 3 is going to be very, very hard. There are some big traders there that are very, very aggressive. I'm not such of an aggressive trader. I'm more of a conservative trader. But anyway, we can create multiple accounts for that trading competition. And I will create a Telegram group as well for those for this competition. Haha, Rover says, yeah, I like Rover. Come on, he's a good guy. He's 21 years old. He's a decent guy. I do not take a look at his videos for technical analysis though. That I got to be clear on that. But he's a decent guy. Who was the winner? It was one of these Korean groups. We got there's. Usually first, second, and third. I think they're Korean or Japanese, but we didn't do bad. We were 24, ranked of 650 groups, trading groups. We'll do that competition again, no doubt. You got to use AI to get the extra edge, Andy. Yeah, artificial intelligence has been in trading for decades already. I don't know what is this massive hype with AI. Even Siri on your iPhone. That is artificial intelligence. Trading has been the markets have been traded by algorithms for decades already. Artificial intelligence is already on the charts. We are trying to learn from, the algorithm, basically. We are learning, it's a scam market, right? We are trying to learn from the scam moves, right? The artificial moves. When you're learning technical analysis and those potential moves, it's just you're learning based on artificial intelligence, basically. So yeah, I mean, the markets, artificial intelligence has been in trading already for decades. It's nothing new. Andy, are you in any trades at the minute? No, I was in a short, got stopped out at break even. Did manage to scratch a little bit of profits. The reason why I entered this short, being, straightforward here, I liked the massive bread volume here going down, and I liked the point of control, and I liked a small little Gartley pattern that I had here on the 5-minute time frame, right? And that was basically the short. I was aiming for the 50% 618. I already closed a little bit here at 50% Fibonacci. Protected position, got stopped out. We're getting a bounce right now from this level, guys. We could be testing the highs, right, for that scalp scenario. I mean, it's a little bit of a baby breakout, but this is the long trade that you are looking for a scalp, basically, because you broke out from the highs. You're likely to test the highs, right? These are the kind of trades that we're looking for. Volume is okay on the lower time frames. I would have preferred a bigger breakout, in my opinion, right? So you can see the price here breaking the resistance zone on, for this scalp scenario. Volume is not the best. If you did get into this retracement, looking to claim the highs, almost the highs, or the 618, I would lock up some profits and protect position instantly. Because I mean, this movement is not huge. Obviously, you could protect that position and try and ride, that possible momentum that could happen. I think that momentum to the upside will happen in the next coming days. I just want you people to stay cautious, be protective. Link is dumping. Oh no, portfolio is going down again. It's having a corrective move. Come on, this ain't dumping. This is consolidating. Anyway. Yeah, guys, not much. I mean, these are those potential scalp scenarios. I would wait for a larger move up here. Try and get into the higher lows. Try and get into those higher lows, having validation points from this short-term structure so you can get into some trades to test the highs. Remember, guys, we are trending up. Stay cautious with these volatilities. This is why you want to play defensive trading with good risk management. Overall, I think, that we have a high chance in climbing up. I just want to see big volume, and this is going to be very hard during the weekend. Like I said, we could get rejected from the 7-8 from this high to the low if we do not break out with higher volume. It's the weekend, guys. This baby volume can be manipulated straight away with a massive dump. Stay cautious. Just stay cautious during the weekend, would be my suggestion. I'm not very much of a weekend trader. Weekend is to chill out, have a good time. Monday is when we back here, absolutely exploding. So, thoughts on GRT Web3 coin crazy lately? Yeah, GRT is a very, very good crypto project. Any thoughts or technical analysis? And GRT does have AI, artificial intelligence, integrated into the project. I think it's going to be huge. This one's going to be huge. Returns haven't been huge on the bull market since its creation. But I do see this one, being a good investment for the long term, right? If you're talking about this as an investment, yeah, these are the moments where you're running flat here at the 10-15 cent range. This is where you want to, consider getting a bag, right? Getting a bag for the next coming years, because there's no doubt this is a good project. No TA. Guys, through the comment section, weekend being great the past few weeks. Yeah, we did have a little bit of volatility during the last few weeks. But overall, a lot, mainly 80% of the times of the weekends, they're quite boring. They do respect major levels of support and resistance, just like we did get a rejection here at this point of control, very, very nicely. I would pay attention here, guys, to see what happens. There's a bit of a channel here going on. We are above the point of control from this range for the last couple of days. I don't like the volume. I want to see big volume. Volume is slightly higher, no doubt. Looking at, zooming in here on the 3 minute. Let's take a look at a few tools. The VWAP could hold as support. If it does come down slightly, you'll be likely creating a higher low. You do have higher volume on this move. Value area low from today is right over here, which is where we did get that bounce. You got VWAP, you got slightly higher volume with this pump. You could probably test the lows and then have another move up here. That would be the highest probability trade scenario. I would wait for lower. If we do claim this low, this could potentially get you a good entry here with an invalidation here at the lows. Because if you break down this level, you are likely to come down to test the lows and even lower. So, I would be looking for a very, very good entry point. Well, you're getting... it's already at support. It would be nice. It's already at support here, being the point of control. And this resistance high. You got the volume. You got that volume strategy here playing out at the moment. Higher spikes in volume, break of resistance, you are getting that bounce. Small little scalps there you can take. I would, if we do get that movement down, consolidate. Yeah, that is a high ticket for a potential long. It might be a fake out, and you will be continuing this small little bullish structure. Something that I would be paying attention here in the next coming hours. Just talking about possible scenarios, guys. Sure, I would be having invalidation points. I don't want nobody crying afterwards saying, hey, the market dumped from this level and got wrecked. No, you're having stop losses where there's invalidation points for your potential entries, good entries. Then you're looking for this kind of move, right? Potentially to claim this high and have a slightly more momentum to the upside. That is what you're looking for here. These trade scenarios. This continues pumping, then yeah, that'll be the end of that. But overall, we are looking for these momentum moves. And if this one fails, tomorrow's another day. You will get into another trade scenario with high probability. Just looking here for some potential setups, guys. Adios, Andy. Thanks for the weekend stream. Time to take the fam out, says Nolan. Yeah, absolutely. Time to take a look at the family. Time to enjoy the family, guys. It's time to have a good day, all right? Time to enjoy the weekend. So we talked about Bitcoin. I'm going to be more hyped up for, tomorrow to get that Monday preparation for those trading scenarios. Yesterday, Friday, guys, I got to say, it was absolutely spot on. Whoever longed at 23,800 range made an absolute killing with that long. Whoever missed that long and got into the second opportunity level, bouncing from 24,300 and getting back up to 24,600. Oh, made a killing as well, guys. It was mentioned on yesterday's live stream. It was Friday. We had a little bit more volatility, as you can see here on the markets. A bit of sideways action, guys. Make sure to enjoy the family, enjoy the weekend. I will be here back tomorrow. Remember, you got the link in the pinned comment for that bonus, okay? First 100 users will get $30, okay? If you deposit $100. Just by depositing $100 for the new users, they get $30. You get 30% on top of that $100. It's a great bonus. This is for trading. You can withdraw those bonuses with those profits that you make with the bonus, all right? Must do KYC to claim that bonus. This is going to be here for the next coming days till the 28th. Remember, guys, the course has launched just a few days ago. You got the 50% discount that's only going to go till Monday. Of course, the price will be going up. There'll be less discount every single time because, you know, I don't want to create thousands and thousands of people in this community, right? So you got the link down below for the course, guys. Remember, all of these kind of setups are mentioned on the course. The tools and risk management and strategies that are taught, like yesterday's live stream, that were absolute killing. The only two setups that were talked about, played out to perfection. These kind of setups, this kind of education is mentioned on the legends.bitcoinsensus.com website, okay? The Legends Masterclass. You do get that 50% discount with Legends 50 as the coupon, guys, if you are interested to learn these trading skills and be a profitable trader, okay? Just talking about high probability scenarios, nothing else. Nothing else. Good risk management. Thank you, guys. If you are experienced traders, remember that bonus is there. It's another way to support the channel. It's another way to support YouTube for me to continue doing these educational videos once in a while. Thank you, everyone. Destroy the like button. Hopefully you enjoyed the live stream, taking a look at yesterday's video, talking about these small short-term scenarios. Likely that we are going to come and test the highs here in the coming days, guys. Stay cautious with your trading. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.